Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Excellence 360. These tutorials are based on non-Mudalvan skill development program. I hope you all are learning and enjoying through my videos. In this video, we will learn how to work in Plant Simulation 3D. To do so, we create a small simulation model and explain the respective functions of 3D. To get started, start Plant Simulation and click Create New Model. Plant Simulation shows a dialog where you can select the mode in which you want to work. The options are 2D and 3D. For this model, we will select 3D. Plant Simulation opens a 3D window in which we will create our simulation model. To make it easier to place the objects in the right position, we turn on Planning View. To do so, we click View on the menu bar and click Planning View. Now we see the frame from the top. Now maximize the window to have more space for modeling. Now move the modeling area so that the event controller is located in the upper left corner. To insert an instance, select the class in the toolbar. Move the mouse to the position where you want to insert an instance and click the left mouse button. If you want to insert more than one instance of the class, select the class in the toolbox by pressing the Control key. Move the mouse to the location at which you want to insert the instances and press the left mouse key. Now the class in the toolbox remains selected and you can insert additional instances by selecting the left mouse button in the frame. To terminate multiple incision mode, press Escape key or click the right mouse button. When inserting objects, Plant Simulation provides two different snapping modes, Snap to Grid and Snap to Object. Both snapping modes are switched on by default. You can modify the snapping modes on the menu bar. I will prefer both the snapping mode on. When you insert the object close to each other, Plant Simulation automatically connects them. Switch off the planning view by clicking the button again. To zoom in or out of the screen, use the mouse wheel. If you hold down the Shift key or turning the mouse wheel, you move faster in and out of the scene. Holding down the Control key moves slower. To move the object in the screen, drag the object to the new place. Selected objects can be moved by using the arrow key. Every key press moves the objects by 0.1 meter. If you additionally press the Shift key, the object moves by 1 meter. To rotate the selected object, hold down the Control key and press the left or right arrow key on your keyboard. This will rotate the object by 1 degree. If you additionally press the Shift key, the object will be rotated by 45 degrees. To change the Z position of selected object, hold down the Control key and press the up or down key on the keyboard. This moves the object by 0.1 meter in Z direction. If you additionally press the Shift key, the object moves by 1 meter. If you know the exact position, you can open 3D Properties dialog of the object. To do so, open the context menu of the object and select Edit 3D Properties. This opens the dialog Edit 3D Properties of the object. On the tab Transformation, you can define the exact position and rotation of the object. To rotate the object, first select the rotation axis by selecting the arrow next to the respective text box. For the axis input field, then define the angle of rotation in the text box next to the angle. As soon as you enter any value, the object will be rotated according to the value. Plant simulation shows all objects with the predefined graphics. You can change the graphics for each object separately. Select the respective objects, click Exchange Graphics on the menu bar in Edit. In the dialog which opens, select File of the S3D files. We selected cnc_lathe.s3d. Click Open to exchange the graphics. The S3D files not only contains the graphics but also animation setting of the object. When we start the simulation run, you will also see a moving object animated on the lathe cell which is modified. By default, the object names are not shown for material flow objects. Let's switch on the object name for a single instance. Open the context menu for one of the station and select Edit 3D Properties. Switch to the tab Captions and select a checkbox Name Labeled Enabled. Here you can switch visibility of the object name and label on or off. If you want to show the object name for all stations, open the context menu for the class object in the toolbox and select Edit 3D Properties. Change to the tab Captions and switch the visibility of the name and label for the class on or off. This will propagate to all instances of this class which inherited this value. On menu bar, View, you can switch on and off of the visibility of the names and labels. We will use this simulation model in our next video. Therefore, we will save this file. So this was the first part for working with 3D. We will be using this model in our next video. To gain the perfection, keep practicing and experimenting with different values. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.